Hey guys, you remember this one? About 4 weeks ago I did a renovation for free. You want to see what it looks like, don't you? You've been waiting for this update. Well, so have I. I have just arrived. I've just had a little chat with her and it's looking good. I'm really pleased with it actually. Let me show you around. So overall everything is performing well. It's all green and growing and can't complain. Now this was a particularly bad bit. It was 90% moss. Even though there's a little bit of moss there, we didn't quite get that out. In all the areas there are new shoots of grass coming through, and this isn't bad for a lady that struggles to get up and about and struggles to water. So this is only through Mother Nature, even though it's hard to see at the moment because it's still small. But we have lots of little grasses all coming through, so I'm really pleased with this. Another couple of weeks and some nice sunny weather, which we really haven't had much of, and this is going to come on even further. There'll be more shoots coming up, and then it will get to the point where it starts to thicken up once she starts to mow. Now this end was completely bare and barren. She had some chafer grub issues around here, the birds were pecking, and same where we've just been. But as you can see, that is starting to fill in again. Really good. It's nice and even overall, and for me that is an excellent stage to be at. That's a better perspective. So we have got a few little weeds popping in, but we can't do anything at the moment with them. Overall, really pleased with it. She got a free lawn renovation, and I wanted to look after her because she's been a customer for a couple of years and her husband died a few years ago and he kept it absolutely immaculate. Now, she doesn't always have the budget to do whatever is necessary to keep it in a pristine condition, like ongoing seaweed, weekly seaweed, scarifying a couple of times a year, aeration, overseed top dress every year, wetting agents in summer, ant control. All of these things add up, and there's a lot of people just cannot afford to do that in this day and age. So you get to the point where you have to think, well, what can we do to get the best bang for buck? Do you know what? We do it for free. So it's just a question of time now. Even on the little ant mound there is some new shoots coming up. You can still see the remnants of the compost, but it is filling in rather nice. I don't want to walk on it too much, but like I say, a few more weeks from now, and once this gets mowed on a regular basis, it's going to look great. So thank you for watching this little video. If you've got any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below. It's now just a question of time and Mother Nature. We need good sunshine, and usually around 6 weeks for it to get back to where it needs to be. But all we've had is loads of rain and a little bit of sunshine for a few days a few weeks ago. Other than that, it's been wet and raining, so really it's helped her out by me doing it at the time we did and getting it to the point that we did. Right, thanks for watching. Thumbs up would be amazing, subscribe would be even better. Catch you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll leave a link in the description to the original video where you can see I did the renovation for free and she wasn't expecting it. Thanks for watching, catch you again.